S be a set of numbers, an element in X and S is called isolated if neither x minus 1 nor x plus 1 is in S. Let n be the number of subsets S of that satisfy. Size of S is 5 and S does not contain any isolated number. What is the remainder when n is divided by 1000? So to begin our cases is either you have a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3, or a plus 4. And then the case here is that 1 has to be less than n, has to be less than 96, because a plus 4 has to be less than or equal to 100, so a has to be less than or equal to 96. So there are 96 cases. The next is if you have a plus 1, a plus 2, b, and b plus 1. And then the situation here is that we have 1 is less than a, b should be less than 99, and then these two should differ by a number greater than 1, meaning a plus 2 plus 1 is less than b. So another way to rewrite this is, here, I'll put it down here. 1 is less than equal to a is less than b minus 3. And then that has to be still less than or equal to 96. Why 96? Well, b is less than or equal to 99, and then if you subtract 3, this also subtracts 3. And then this is just 96 choose 2 because it's just choosing two numbers, two distinct in between 1 through 96. And then the smaller number, you give it to A. The larger number, you give it to B minus 3. And then you can find B from there. And then the last case is A plus 1, B plus 1, B plus 2. And then we have B is less than or equal to 98 this time. And then A plus 1 and B have to differ by greater than 1. So A plus 1 is less than B. And then we can also rewrite this as 1 is less than or equal to A is less than B minus 2 is less than or equal to 96. Because here it gives A is less than B minus 2, and then B minus 2 is less than or equal to 96. So it's the same thing, basically. 96 choose two ways. So answer 96 plus 2 times 96 choose 2. 96 plus 96 times 95. 96 squared, which is 9216. And 216 is the answer. Thank you for watching.